Hi, everybody. Uh, this is Chandra. So previously we have discussed about um, how does the Spring Boot basic application. We have created a controller class, and there is a controller, hello control we have created, and we have created a manual at controller annotation. We have used it, and we have configured the method. Now in this video, the continuation we are going to see. So we are going to use instead of controller annotation, we are going to create a REST controller class. So what is the difference between all of them also we are going to see now. So let me create one class. I'm saying it as the controller class name is hello REST controller. The controller class, I'm giving it as hello REST controller. You see there? So I'm creating it. On top of it, I'm going to annotate with the at REST controller annotation. So this, what is at REST controller? This REST controller does two tasks. This is basically a combination of two things. One is it's going to act as a Spring MVC controller, plus it's going to also act, it's going to combine the body. I mean, the response body also it's going to bind it. Response body. So in the previous class, we have seen that the controller and request mapping and response body. Response body is going to be written as an as a binded data. Hello there, whatever is there, that's going to be binded. But here we don't need to write any response body separately annotation. We don't need to use it. So this REST controller will be binding or will be acting as two. One is as a controller. Also, it's also binding the data together. Now, let us have one method over here and we'll see the output, how it's going to work out. I've created this method. And I need to return it. But how do you call this method? That is very important. So we need to annotate this again with the help of @get mapping. So we can use the @get mapping annotation. So this is like on the browser or on the any API, Postman API or any Swagger API, you can use it to get the response directly onto the browser window. So for that reason, you are going to use instead of a request mapping, you can use a get mapping. It is also like a request mapping, but it is a type of only to read the content. So get mapping. To call this one, I'm going to use the URI hello REST. This is the method hello rest one which we have created, and there is a rest controller what we have been created. So let me run this again back. So the Tomcat has been running. Now let's see the output of this. Now what is that? We have to use localhost 8080, and but that is hello rest. Hello rest is the URI what we have to use. So you can see that we got the output as a hello rest controller as an output. So this is a simple way we have used it, get mapping annotation. There are more annotations what we have, like post mapping, delete mapping, put mapping. So all these annotations we will be learning soon. Post, get mapping, delete mapping, put mapping. So these are all the annotations which have been by Spring Boot. So you can use them to perform your CRUD operations in any web-based application. So for more videos, keep watching. Thank you.